All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room today, October 11, 2019. Uh, Yesterday, it's a crazy day for me. I have power, but no internet. I have to running around. When I wake up, I say, "Oh shoot, no internet!" So I have to looking for the different sort of internet. I try to use a laptop to communicate with your guy, but the laptop I have not been used for a while, so they have to update the window and all kind of crazy thing. But by the time I get it up, it's only an hour, so I talked to get late yesterday. So sorry for that. And let's get started to see what happened. Okay. So right now, the market is fully intact in the upside. Okay, as you can see that, look at the E-mini SB 500 right now. The market is trying to find a support. They pull back down and then they will go higher. Okay, but this is in the long run. I think that they will try to go back and test the sell zone and probably go higher in the future. Okay, but of course on the way up you will see that will be some correction in the smaller time frame. So right now we are the bottom out over here. So this is my blue box. They hit right into blue box, bounce back up to below to this area, and then they finished the correction here. So now they are on the way up. Okay. So we probably are very close to the end of this move here. So definitely after this one, you will see it will be some minor correction before we can go higher. Okay. So this box I wrote last night, and it is for the longer term they will get there, but for the short term they will test out this area first because we see some resistance on the left, and definitely somebody will take the profit because it has been running very fast on the this move up. Okay, so we this box I wrote it yesterday, so they get there exactly. They get there overnight, so let's see how they are going to do when they get into this box here. Okay, so the whole move from the bottom here to here may be ending, and after that we will see some a little correction, or they try to push it one more shot here to take the stop loss for those people who try to short it. Okay, and before they can do some a minor correction and then and go higher. Okay, so that's the direction of the ES. And for the YM is similar. YM is, definitely they will go right now. They take a first high, low, high, high. Okay, so as you can see here, the Dow is pretty strong too. Okay, so they are able to put it back down and make a high low and make high high. So that the trend is the Dow is on the way up. To see a seasonal, if they're able to go higher, then they can do something different compared to last year. Last year, today the market dropped until the end of the year, but this year it seems like things a little bit different here. Okay, so we have to stay with the uptrend. When they trade it up, yes, stay with the uptrend until things change. All right. So right now, so you can see that the market is go up here. Okay, they go test here. So let's see if this is the end of this move here, or they will have some push here. Okay, to cross the downtrend line and to get to this area here. So we have to monitor it very carefully when they get into this area to see if some minor correction, or they can go straight up here and test the cross point right here. Okay, so you guys have to monitor that. But the trend, overall trend is bullish, so we take the bull. But for short term, there may be some minor correction there. Okay, so look for that. And for the let me see, NQ is similar. NQ is right now try to head here. So they do same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one here, this is the area that I already marked it up for your guys. So watch out for it. They may hit here and then do some little correction, and before they can go higher in the short term. Okay, but overall in the long term, you can see that definitely if they would try to go and test the downtrend line here, this is high, 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 low, so they will get to the sell zone very soon, because now this is a bunch of sales on down below here too. So let's see if they're able to break the trend line and go higher. Okay, so that will help the tech stop. Okay, to go higher. Okay, so right now, watch out for the downtrend line, watch out for the sell zone, and watch out for the move here. Okay, and RTY the same thing. Anyway, if they're able to take the high here, The first time that they break out the downtrend line here, so it's similar here. So the whole move here maybe they hit to the upper top here, so we have to be careful because you see the resistance zone right here, as you can see. Okay, this is here. This used to be a support, and now become a resistance. So be careful when you get back to this zone here, and this is another one here. So that's why this is sell zone. You have to monitor carefully. Okay, if you go long for short term. All right. So and looking for oil. Oil hit right into my sell zone again. Okay, in the short term. They found support in the buy zone here and they shoot back up. Now they hit to the sell zone, so have to be careful. So they have to correct to the support area here. Okay, I already draw it. This one I draw last night, and they hit right here. Okay, exact to the tick, and now they pull back down. We have to test for the support here. Okay, so watch out for this one. All right, and one more thing here. Okay, so that the natural gas is still in the downtrend, but they're very close to one of the support here. Let's see, they hold it up and bow back up, but overall trend is still bearish. Resistance is still way here on the top. Okay, no sign of confirmation to revert yet. So be careful on the natural gas. For the gold, people outside keep thinking the gold go higher. I keep saying the gold, as long as the trend line is still down, it's still going down. And this one I roll a lot. Now they go right into my box. Unbelievable. Okay, and bow right back up. And now they found a support. And definitely, if they try to revert and go higher, this is the first level of test. If they break this level, they go right to this box. And then let's see what they're going to do next. It depends on the market. Okay, so that's how it looked like. So from here, straight up, straight out, and then let's see, they bow back up. Okay, and that for uh, the gold. Okay, and for the bond it give up when it hit to my downtrend line here, as you can see. Okay, so right now in the short term, they still going down. Okay, so this is the first time the bond get trouble here. They short here, so they go here. So this is the support level. So they will go right here first, and let's see what they're going to do. If they break this downtrend line here, they go right into the box here. Okay, so right now you see that the market right here, this is confirmation. Boom, they go right down, break the trend line, and another one down. We break here, boom, another one go right into my box here. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, and Bitcoin go ran to my support area at I told you guys a long time, and then they do 1, 2, 3, boom, four, and they done five right now, so they are in the correction right now. Okay, so they finished the first move up, so definitely they are in the second wave correction right now, and after that we see this line will be the white line here will hold the support, and then they will revert and they will go higher. Okay. So that for Bitcoin and for Euro. That Euro interesting. Yesterday I told you guys the Euro it found finally they be able to break the trend line for many months. As you can see that they go down for a long time here. Okay, so this is the first side of Euro try to build a uptrend. Okay, you see that how long they have been down? Long time. Okay, so in the short term, I told you right here. Look at the trend line. They go take it out. They do correction, and now they on the way back up. Okay, let's see how far they go. Definitely, this is the first test right here. This is the first resistance line right here. This is the sell zone right here. So the move here will be ending, and then they will have another correction before they can go higher. Okay, so this is watch out for the daily, and then this is short term how it move right now. Okay, so that's for the euro, first time from the bottom up. Okay, and I think that's good enough for all the indices. Okay, so this is how we trade. Everything is price action. If you understand how to read the chart, okay, you don't need any fancy indicator or software or anything. That's what people keep chasing for many, for many of them out there. Okay, they don't want to learn how to read the chart. If you know how to draw, how to understand the market move, you have to understand the market psychology, You know where institution they come in, where institution they come out, and you know exactly what level they coming in, and just stick with that and make money. That's exactly what we're teaching here in our Stock Navigator. All right. So if you're interested, you can check into our website stocknavigators.com, or you can click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can inform you every time I have a new thing update. All right, so hope you enjoyed it and good luck everyone and see you in the trading room.